Welcome back to Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. In today's episode, we're exploring strategies for scaling your print on demand business to new heights. Let's dive in. As your print-on-demand business grows, it's essential to streamline operations for efficiency and scalability. Here's how. Automate repetitive tasks. Identify tasks that can be automated, such as order processing, inventory management, and email marketing, and leverage automation tools to save time and resources. Optimize workflow. Continuously assess and optimize your workflow to eliminate bottlenecks and improve efficiency at every stage of the production process. Invest in scalable solutions. Choose software and tools that can grow with your business, allowing you to handle increased order volumes and complexity without compromising quality. Diversifying your product offerings is key to scaling your print-on-demand business and appealing to a broader audience. Consider the following strategies. Conduct market research. Identify emerging trends, niche markets, and customer preferences to inform your product expansion strategy. Introduce new products. Experiment with adding new product categories, designs, and variations to your existing lineup to attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. Collaborate with designers. Partner with talented designers or artists to create unique and exclusive designs that resonate with your target audience. Data-driven decision-making is essential for sustainable growth in the print-on-demand industry. Here's how to leverage data effectively. Track key performance indicators, KPIs. Monitor important metrics such as sales trends, customer acquisition costs, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and measure the impact of your growth initiatives. Implement A/B testing. Experiment with different marketing strategies, product offerings, and website optimizations using A/B testing to determine what resonates best with your audience. Iterate and iterate. Continuously analyze data insights and feedback from customers to iterate on your products, marketing campaigns, and overall business strategy. Scaling your print-on-demand business requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a willingness to adapt to changing market dynamics. By streamlining operations, expanding your product lines, and leveraging data for growth, you can take your business to new heights. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore common mistakes to avoid in the print-on-demand industry. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Thank you for watching Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. See you in the next episode.